Hello guys, how are you all? So I am here again with the new video for which you all are demanding that what are the facilities when we are joining the L&T from all the branches. Okay, so will we get any welcome kit, as the number of companies send the welcome kit to their candidates when they join the company. Okay, so in case of L&T, if you are from IT, okay, so some cases, okay, in some cases L&T gives you the welcome kit, but you can say this is a I got this from Quera, one of the candidate who is working in L&T from 2022 to present. He told that yes, L&T provide the welcome kit if you join through the college campus recruitment. Okay, one of the on the first day of training they give a backpack, one steel bottle and one pen and your ID card. So this is the normal and common for all the branches, so you can expect this, but I cannot say it surely that you will get it, but this is a chances. Okay, then about the onboarding process. Okay, so this is about your welcome kit. So 99% chances are that you will not get any welcome kit. Okay, ID card will be there, you can get water and pen also. It can be happen, but it is not sure. Okay, then about the onboarding procedure. Okay, so onboarding procedure in case of L&T they called as induction program, and in case of induction program, okay, this is I got this from the official website of L&T, in which they posted it and tell all the thing about the graduate engineer trainee. When we join as a graduate engineer trainee in L&T. Okay, so I am going to give you a brief introduction about it. You can see they also called it Prayag program, okay, which we started in 2022 during lockdown. Because of lockdown there is no offline facility. Okay, so we started the online and called as a Prayag. So this is a facility in induction program. Okay, as a part of onboarding process, a fresh entrants go through an induction program and finishing school as well. ओके, सो मैं ब्रीफ में आपको बता देता हूँ कि इसमें क्या होता है इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम के अंदर. ओके, सो इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम में इसको क्या बोला जाता है, प्रयाग. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्रयाग, जिसमें आपको जाना होता है. वहाँ पे जाने का फैसिलिटी, जहाँ तक अभी मैंने रिसर्च किया है तो पता चला है कि यू हैव टू गो देयर एंड पे योर सेल्फ, देन द कंपनी विल पे यू. ओके, सो ये होता है. देन वहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद आपको अच्छे होटल में रखा जाएगा. वहाँ खुद की L&T की फैसिलिटीज़ होती हैं, जहाँ को आपको रखा जाएगा, खाना, मतलब सारी फैसिलिटीज़ आपको दी जाएंगी. ओके, और होगा वहाँ पे कौन कौन से बहुत सारे आपको सेशंस लिए जाएंगे, जिनमें सेशंस में आपको बता देता हूँ, जो कि डिजिटल नॉर्मल सेशन होते हैं, जो कि आपको अटेंड. ये ग्रोथ रेट है, जो आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके देख सकते हो कि इसमें क्या ग्रोथ रेट मिलता है ना L&T में. 1 साल के बाद आपको सीनियर इंजीनियर के लिए प्रमोट कर दिया जाता है. ओके, देन ये देख सकते हो आप इसमें नॉन टेक एंड टेक्निकल, देयर आर 2 सेशंस. फर्स्ट वन इज नॉन टेक and the second one is technical. These all session will go continuously, okay, and simultaneously both. So in first, like personal finance, okay, cyber security awareness, empowerment, empowering transactions, design thinking, learn concept, behavior based safety. Okay, and SSC session, and about your offer letter, but that what salary you will get and how your salary will vary. All the things will be discussed on your during your training period. Okay, on onboarding, on this section, on your offer letter. Okay, then there is technical, like all the things about this is common for all the branches, like industrial safety. Okay, CAD/CAM software, automation, heat treatment of materials, machining process, embedded system. Okay, civil engineering fundamentals, piping engineering fundamentals, electrical engineering fundamentals. Okay, industrial. Oh, and the main thing is MS Excel. You have to be a good grip on MS Excel also. Okay, so you can learn from yourself also. So this is all the onboarding facility, and the main thing is that during onboarding there is also a lots of games. Okay, there are lots of games you have to play, and perform. Okay, you can be that they can see your team belt. Okay, how you work as a team. Then after the final completion of training, they will post you according to your abilities, where you can give your 100% to the company. Okay, from all these things. So this is the onboarding procedure and onboarding facilities that you will be getting a very good facilities and very good time in your life. Okay, and this all is happened. Then the second question is everyone, that what will be the interview. Okay, because you are not getting the interview, medical and offer letter time period. Okay, so for this I want to tell you that for medical and offer leave, time period between later, so it will be like if the result will be announced. Okay, and the expected result will be, we can expect is at the last of August. You can expect last week of August, because now the interview are also scheduling and interview is going on. So I think till 15th or 18th of August will be the last date of interview. It is not declared by the L&T, it is expected from my side. Okay, so after that L&T will give you a result around in last week of August. Then after result, within a 1 week they will send you the medical letter. Okay, about your medical, you have to go the hospital, which will be till by the L&T team. Okay, you have to go and proceed your medical. Then after medical, I think after medical procedure you have to wait around 1 week for medical result, and then after 1 week you will get your offer letter. After medical result, within 1 month you will get your medical offer letter, and also you have to join the L&T training campus where they will send you. Okay, most of the cases the L&T onboarding campus will be in Mumbai. Okay, in Lonavala. So this is a complete video, because you are asking I am busy somewhere, so this video is not very good and not very detailed. So sorry for that. If you ask, then I will research more on it and then update you all. Okay, so this is the final video, and thank you all.